Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Lark150 by HollyLand. Stay tuned. So right here we have a clip-on wireless microphone system by HollyLand. This is the Lark150. This does come with two little microphones as well as the receiver. And it does come with a little travel bag. So right here on the back, omnidirectional, ultra low latency, 2x with 1 RX, mono and stereo mode. So let's go and open this up. And first off, you can see the user manual as well as a satisfaction card from the company. If you have any questions or any problems with this, you can get in touch with the manufacturer themselves. So right here it does say Lark150. This is the dual set, so it comes with two microphones. This is also available in the single set. So here's the display and introductions. You've got the support, multi-languages. They have it in Chinese, English, and Spanish. And then I think there's a few other languages in here. So let's make our way to the box. Let's go ahead and pick up this little black thing right here. This must be the accessories where the microphone and everything is at. And inside this box, looks like a travel pack. Looks like there's some things in here. Let's pull out the accessories. And in this package is the filter for when you're outside in the wind. It does not get windy. It actually kind of covers your microphone. There is two of them in here because this is a dual microphone set, so you get one for each. This is a microcloth carrying bag. You can see it's got like a zip tie. It's a little soft. You just tie it like this to take it with you. And right here you get a 3.5mm jack. This one right here, if you're using a phone, you would connect this one to your phone directly. If you're using a camera or camcorder, you can use this 3.5mm jack. They are stretchable to 1 feet. Here is your charging cable to charge the case. This is a Type-C charging, which you'd plug this into a USB power port. And this looks like the little microphones that you connect to the clip-on microphones. So you'll just plug this 3.5mm into the clip-on, which I'll show you in a bit. This right here has a pop filter, so you could put this clipped onto your shirt or your jacket. This pop filter helps with your conversation, so I don't hear a lot of the P's and the T's with the popping. You do get two of them, so I have one in here in this bag. This is for the extra microphone because I got the dual. So inside with these ones, you also get an extra pop filter for these little microphones. There's one in this one and there's one in the other bag. So if you happen to lose one, you actually have an extra one. So in this bag here is the extra one for the other microphone. Alright, so let's put that aside. And now let's make our way to the actual microphone and its case. So inside this case, it's all magnetic. And it does charge your microphones as well as the receiver. This is by HollyLand. On the bottom it has really good grips. So if you set it on a table or a glass table, it will not move. Just going to remove this little wrapper here. So it just clicks open. It is magnetized. So you have your microphone on your left with your plug-in for your mini mic, and you have one on your right. Then you have your receiver. So here's the first one. There's a clip on the bottom. You'll want to remove this blue tab so that basically when you put it in the case, it will charge it. So you have your microphone, and then you could plug in your microphone. These indicator lights right here. So the microphone I'm talking about, you can plug this little one in. If you don't want this big one on your shirt, you can plug it into your side of your pants and then put this one up at your shirt so it's a little bit smaller, not so bulky. So you have two little indicator lights right here. One is for battery, one is for sync. The top one's the battery, and the bottom one is for the syncing, basically saying it's synced to the case. As well as a receiver. There is your mute button. You just clip it onto your pocket. This clips in there. It actually is magnetized. Same thing with the second microphone. It's got the clip. You got your microphone. You got your 3.5 millimeter jack for the little mini microphone. You have your sync and your battery indicator lights. This is what it looks like. It's really tiny. Again, you want to remove this little blue film. You've got your mute button. So when you remove the blue film, it will actually charge. Same thing in the bottom of this one. Here is your receiver. There is your volume for your left and your right. And it'll tell you up is low, down is high. There's your digital display. You have your power button. There's a clip. That side is for your phone if you want to connect it to your phone. There's a power button, and on the other side, this is the line out. So if you're using an actual camera, you can click your 3.5 millimeter jack to that. So you want to remove this little plastic thing. So you see the little metal thing at the bottom. That's the connection to charge your receivers and your microphones. Same one here. And it is magnet, so when it's charging, that light will light up. This is your USB port to charge it. So you just put all your devices in here. So we're going to remove this. And once I click it on, that light should show at the bottom of it. Let's go and turn it on. First off, it'll be in mono. So in order for you to change that to stereo, when you first turn it on, right before it comes on, you want to hold down the left and the right button of these volumes at the same time, and it'll switch. So right here is where it's turned on. You can see the blue light. Now this is completely fully charged. And like I said before, it's in mono. So if you want to change that, you will have to turn it off, turn it back on, and hold the left and right buttons. You have to push them down. There's your indicator display right here, and it just turns off. You turn it back on by holding the button. Waiting for that to turn on. See, this one here is fully charged. And when I pull this one out here, it should automatically sync. See, it's pairing up right now. And right now it's already completely paired up, and it will tell you when you're talking. The volume is showing right now already. And there's your signal. So if you put that one in and you grab the other one, it does the same thing by syncing. So let me pull this one out. This can go up to 300 feet before there's any disturbance in signal. So I'm just going to put these all back in here. They actually are magnetic, so when you get it halfway in there, it starts to suck them in, as well as the top. So if you want to put your little mini microphones in the top right here, that's why they're all in one case. That's a really good idea so you don't lose them. And then there's your TX, RX. So your RX is your receiver. Your TXs are your microphones. It's very thin, lightweight. I'd say that this sound of this is excellent. You would just plug in your Type-C charger into this. This one does come with a 3-foot cable. You can buy extra ones for a little longer if you need. Just plug it in there like this. And then you plug this into your USB charging port. So right now we're going to go ahead and test the sound so you can hear how clear the sound is on this wireless microphone. So right now we're going to test the microphone on this HollyLand Lark150. This is the double series. And this is what the quality sounds like. I would definitely recommend this microphone, especially if you're looking for a professional sound system when you do your videos or vlogging. If you're interested in this, I will link all the details in the description. You know what to do. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go ahead and hit that little notification button. Thanks for watching.